Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorial how to use through bend plugins. So if you want to create bendings by using through bends, you need to create the objects along the red axis. As example, I will create a rectangle in here, and then you can use pull tools to convert into 3D. The next, we convert these all entities into a group. Now, to bending, you can select the objects and then you can click these through bend tools. So it will be show the red points and also in the center point. Now, to bend, you can click in this point, hold, and then you can move like this. It will be bending the object. If you don't, you can press enter button. Now, I will bending again in another area. You can rotate, use the rotate tools to rotate the objects. Okay, like this. I will rotate into 90-degree to the top. And then you can explode the objects. The next, we can group again. Now you can use these through bendings to bendings the selected object. If you don't, you can press enter buttons to apply the bending. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to use through bend. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.